how to tie your work boot so it stays tied. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. Really? A video about how to tie your shoes? Didn't your mother teach you that in second grade? How do you tie them? Well, let me get this off the table so I don't drop it on my one foot that right now is bare. Left lace over your right lace, and then take the one that you went over with and pull it up and through the bottom. So all you've done is the normal thing that we would all do. Okay, now take your right lace, cross it over your left lace, take the one that's now in your right hand, the one that was crossed over, and take it over and into the loop. Take the other one and just go under and up. So now you got two little rabbit ears. Pull those puppies tight. And that will not come apart during your work day, so you won't be tripping over it right at a crucial time. So the beauty of this technique, as opposed to a double knot, is that you can pull the strings and release it. Hiking boots, work boots, mountain biking boots, all sorts of boots have these laces that just will not stay tied. Anyway, I ran across a video by Matt Jackson, Next Level Carpentry. I'll put a link in my description down below so you can see his video as well as his recommendation of his favorite work boot. So as a hobbyist woodworker, why would you bother to wear a work boot anyway, particularly one with a steel toe? Well, all you got to do is drop a piece of 4-inch by 4-inch red oak on your foot one time, and you will forever wear work boots from then on. All right, I'm going to try it one more time. Here you go. One more. So take your left lace, cross it over your right lace. Take that one that's crossed over and pull it underneath and up and through. No magic there. That's what we would all do. Now take your right lace and take it over your left lace. So now this one is underneath. Pull it over, since it was underneath, and create a little loop. Take the other one, which is going over, and pull it under to create a little loop. And then pull them tight. That is how you tie your shoes that your mother probably never taught you. But now you can say that the small workshop guy showed you how to tie your shoes. It's never too late to teach an old dog new tricks. Small workshop guy signing off. Left lace over the right lace. Take the one that went over and pull it underneath and up through. Tighten it up. Now, take the right lace and go over the left lace. Now, look at them. Take the one that's underneath and go over with it and create a little loop. Take the one that's going over and go under with it and create a little loop. Grab those two loops and pull it tight.